Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another very simple and easy project. So as you can see, we're going to make this circular pendant rings. This is super simple and easy. Anyone who can hold a crochet hook can make this. Yep, it's that easy. So without further ado, let's go ahead. For this project, we will require 3 different metal rings of different sizes. Then we will need 2 colors yarns, a 3.5mm crochet hook, scissors to cut the yarn, and tapestry needle to sew in, and also a chain. Now, on the bigger circle, we are going to use the darker color yarn. So we will begin with a slip knot. Make a slip knot. Go into the circle. Pick up the loop. Pull it through. Yarn over. Pull it through. And you secure the loop. Now we will just put one single crochet all around this circle, and for that take this tail along as you crochet. Now go into the circle, pull up a loop. You have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through both the loops like that. Into the circle, pick up a loop, yarn over, and pull through both. So keep putting one single crochet all around, and I will see you after that. Once you have filled the circle with single crochet, let's put one more. Slip stitch here to the top. Insert, pull up a loop, and instead of single crocheting like this, you are going to pull it through. Chain 1 to secure. Now you can cut the yarn. Cut the yarn and just pull this through, and we'll hide the tail with our tapestry needle. So just insert your needle to the base. Pass the yarn through. And just pull. Repeat this a few more times. And cut the yarn. That's it. Now this ring is done. Now this ring is done. Now do the same for the other smaller circle with yellow color. And now we are going to arrange it. I want this circle to be inside. So this is my ring. Took it out from a keychain. I'm going to pass this through one of the stitches. Like that. Okay, so now this is done. I'm going to take this one also and pass it through. Take this whole, not just a little bit of stitch, but as a whole. So this ring passes through the larger circle and we picked up a small stitch from here. So this is our ring.
And yeah, I forgot to mention something. This little ring that connects the pendant and the chain is called bail. So we will pass the chain through this bail and that's it. And one more thing, if you do not want to use a metal chain, you can chain it with your yarn however long you want and then use it as the chain. Or you can also make it into an I-cord and use it for the chain of the necklace. So yeah. I will link our Facebook group and Instagram page in the description box below. So if you make one of these, you can share with us in the Facebook group and also on the Instagram. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.